Hello, fellow gardeners. I'm your host, Bee, and I'm excited to share with you some easy, budget-friendly, and eco-friendly ways to fertilize your garden without harming the planet. First up, let's talk about why homemade fertilizers are a great alternative to store-bought ones. Not only are they cheaper, but they also help reduce plastic waste. Moreover, making your own fertilizers from kitchen scraps and other household items can be a fun way to reuse materials that would otherwise be thrown away. Our journey begins with eggshells. A fantastic source of calcium for your plants, eggshells can be crushed or ground into a powder and sprinkled around the base of the plant. Another kitchen staple is coffee grounds. Rich in nutrients like nitrogen and potassium, coffee grounds make an excellent addition to your compost pile or can be used as a top dressing for your plants. Other household items like tea bags, banana peels, hair trimmings from pets or humans if you're comfortable with it, and even old cooking oil can all make great additions to your homemade fertilizer mixture. By using these items, you're not only helping the environment but also saving money on commercial fertilizers. So there you have it. A few simple DIY homemade fertilizers that are not just great for your garden but also friendly to the planet. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more gardening hacks and tips. Until next time, happy gardening!